any and all. So guys, any and all are two keywords that are generally not used at all in the industry. But still, if somebody asks you, you should have a knowledge, you should know what any and all does. So as the name suggests, any is something, any of these things, all is all of these things. So when I write this query, so select start from employee where department number equal to any. So it could be this statement where the department number is extracted, where the department name in HR, data or sales. It could be either HR, it could be either data, it could be either sales. But any means any of these departments is present in the employees table, it would give me the result. So over here I have all the departments, so HR, data and sales. So if I let you show the department table as well, so that you can get to know what the department numbers are. So HR, data and sales, 1 2 3. But in the employee table we don't have anyone in the sales department as such, as I think so. Let's check it out. So yeah, in the sales department you don't have anyone. So out of these, from HR, data and sales, what we'll get is only information about HR and data department, because we have put in as any as the keyword. So it shows only HR and data department number over here. Now all is something where the department number is present in all of these. So let's say an employee who is working in HR, who is working in data, who is working in soft skills, who is working in sales. So for that record, I will get a result. Otherwise, I won't get a result. Let's say it shouldn't give me any result. So that's how all works out. So the way the name suggests, any and all, any is something either, like we use an or gate and or nor, we have these operators. So similarly, just like or functions, any works in the same way, all works like an and operator. So if it is present in all the departments, like here in this case, then only we'll get the result, otherwise we will not get the result.